Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make amazing cupcake toppers. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need some sturdy cardstock, sharp scissors, and a reliable adhesive like craft glue. Don't forget the wooden picks or small skewers to attach your designs. For those wanting more intricate details, a cutting machine can be a fantastic investment. And if you're aiming for fully edible toppers, consider food-safe paper and markers. We'll cover everything you need to get started on your creative journey. Now that you have your materials, let's talk design. You can create your own unique images using graphic design software or find many free templates online. It's crucial to ensure your images are high resolution, at least 300 dots per inch, for a clear and crisp print. Once your designs are ready, print them on your chosen paper, whether it's cardstock for durability or edible sheets for a tasty treat. With your designs printed, it's time to cut them out. For simple shapes, sharp scissors work perfectly. If you have intricate patterns or many toppers, a cutting machine will provide precise, consistent results every time. Once cut, apply a small dot of craft glue to the back of each design and firmly press a wooden pick or skewer onto it. Allow them to dry completely for about 20 minutes before use. Let's explore some fun ways to make your toppers truly stand out. You can add a touch of sparkle with edible glitter or tie tiny ribbons around the picks for an elegant look. For a three-dimensional effect, try layering 2 or 3 paper cutouts of the same design. And for a completely edible option, consider crafting your toppers from fondant or wafer paper, which can be shaped and decorated beautifully. Get creative and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.